Hi, welcome to ERPNext tutorials. Product bundle can be seen as something like a bill of material on the sales side. It's a master where you can list stock items which are bundled together and sold as a single set. Let's create a new product bundle. Select a bundled item here. This is a non-stock item which is used only for bundling. For example, if you are selling dinner set as a bundled item, then select dinner set as an item here. In this section, select the stock items which are actually delivered to the customer. Let's save this product bundle. Let's check how a product bundle is used in the sales transactions. In the main item table, select a product bundle item. Save this delivery note. In this section, items are fetched from Product Bundle Master. On submission of this delivery note, stock of these items will be dedicated a selected warehouse. If needed, enter values in these fields for the bundled item. Now, let's submit this delivery note. In the stock ledger, you can observe the stock ledger entry is made only for the bundled item, and not for the main item. Hope you found this video tutorial useful. For more details and free sign up, check ERPNext.com. Thanks for watching.